Hello guys, today we're gonna expose Guava's fake 3 a.m. videos. And here we go. It might be in a part 2, part 3, part 4, but here we go.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Guava Juice. Today we're gonna play the midnight game, okay? This is a popular request by so many people. If you don't know what that is, let me show you how to do it step by step. So, as you can see, 11:57, it's almost midnight, 3 minutes till midnight, and we're going to summon the Midnight Man, okay?
Aren't you supposed to do it at midnight? Because I'm the Midnight Man. The midnight game.
In order to do that, all you want to do is grab a piece of paper and write your full name, okay? Guava, I guess Roy, okay? And then what you're supposed to do is grab a needle and then draw blood from your fingers. But I don't want to do that. I'm not crazy, so I have ketchup. Looks like blood, right? Grab some matches, and then we gotta light up a candle. You want to turn off all the lights and head to any door that leads to the outside. So
Why would you turn off the lights? It makes it more scarier. It might be the purpose. Who knows?
we're gonna go upstairs real quick. So let's turn off every lights here. 12 o'clock. Okay, we gotta hurry up. Come on. So we're outside right now. This is the door that leads to the outside. We're supposed to place it right here in front of the door. Candle right here. And we're supposed to knock 22 times, okay? And then blow out the candle and go inside. So the midnight game starts now.
Why would you knock 25 or 22 times?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, let's go inside. I have a lantern just in case. So apparently the Midnight Man is supposed to, I don't know, turn off your light, turn off your candle. If you're asking, what's the point of the game? One, it's to call up the Midnight Man, and you're supposed to make it all the way up to 3:33 in the morning. So we have 3 hours, and let's see if we can survive, I guess. Oh, there's a light. I forgot to turn off this light.
That's so fake. The voice has gotten him so fake.